Hello friends, now I am going to give lecture on cyclone. So what is cyclone? Cyclone are severe tropical storm, although this is related to formation and impact of a storm in the terms used here, and it is determined by wind speed and location. These storms form on hot water and draw energy from the evaporation of water passing across the ocean. Thunderstorms starts only as an area of low pressure and are called tropical disturbances with thunderstorm. When water evaporates due to hot air, they create a level in the low pressure area. The moist and rising air release energy as it cools and condenses into rain clouds. This process continues to build energy in rain clouds that can turn into a violent storm that span hundreds of square miles. As wind begin to spin on hot water, energy continue to accumulate, eventually creating a cyclone. Uh, Next slide. Originating point. Severe cyclones or revolving storms originating over the equatorial region of the Earth, accompanied by torrential rain, lightning and wind with a speed greater than 74 miles per hour. Now we are going to study about Yas cyclone. The, this Yas cyclone originating point is here. So what is Yas? Yas is the name of a tropical cyclone which is said to hit eastern coastal area of Odisha and West Bengal by today. Name with meaning. So these names carefully chosen by indicate something. The upcoming cyclone Yas has been given by Oman, and it referred to a tree. Who name cyclones? Uh, the tropical cyclone forming over different ocean basins are named by the concerned RSMCs and TCWCs. For North Indian Ocean including Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, the RSMC New Delhi assigned the name to tropical cyclone following a standard procedure. The WMO ESCAP panel on tropical cyclone PTC at its 27th session held in 2000 in Muscat, Sultanate of Oman agreed in principle to assign name to the tropical cyclone in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. After long deliberations among the member countries, the naming of the tropical cyclone over the North Indian Ocean commenced from September 2004. This list contained names proposed by the then 8 member countries of WMO ESCAP PTC like Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Thailand. How are cyclone named? While sending their suggestion, country have to follow some rules such as the proposed name should be neutral to politics and political figure, religious beliefs, culture and gender. Names should be chosen in such a way that it does not hurt the sentiment of any group of population over the globe. It should not be very rude and cruel in nature. It should be short, easy to pronounce, and should not be offensive to any member. The maximum length of the name will be 8 letters. The proposed name should be provided along with its pronunciation and voice over. The panel the right to reject any name if any of the criteria above is not satisfied. The finalized name may also be reviewed during the course of time of implementation with the approval of PTC in its annual session. In case any reasonable objection is raised by any member, the name of tropical cyclone over the North Indian Ocean will not be repeated. Once used, it will cease to be used again. Thus, the name should be new. It should not be there in the already existing list of any of the RSMCs worldwide, including RSMC New Delhi. Why is naming cyclone important? Tropical cyclones are named to identify each individual cyclone. It also helps creating awareness of its development and remove confusion in case of simultaneous occurrence of cyclones over a region. Naming cyclone also help remember a cyclone easily. It is a PET online sources. Now movement is like this. The originating point is this, and it has movement and striking the boundary near about Balasore, Orissa, and penetrating up to inside Jharkhand and Bihar state. Current position, this is satellite imagery showing the current position, and this one is a live S3 web page uh, uh, tracking through S3.
So warning, rainfall Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya. Light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy rainfall and extremely heavy falls at isolated place. Wind warning, gale wind speed reaches 130 to 140 km per hour, gusting to 155 km likely. Sea condition is phenomenal. Fishermen warning, the fishermen are advised not to venture into Central Bay of Bengal. Storm surge warning, tidal waves of height 2 to 4 meter above astronomical tide are likely to inundate. Destruction and impact, damage expected for coastal district of North Odisha, West Bengal and adjoining interior district of these states. Total destruction of thatched house, extensive damage to kacha house, some damage to pakka house. Potential threats from flying objects, bending, uprooting of power and communication poles, major damage to kacha and pakka roads, flooding of escape routes, disruption of railway overhead power lines and signaling system, widespread damage to standing crops, plantation, orchards, falling of green coconuts and tearing of palm fronds, blowing down of bushy tree like mango. Small boats, country crafts may get detached from visibility severely affected. These all are from IMD data. Action suggested for coastal district of North Odisha, West Bengal and adjoining interior district of these states. Suspension of fishing, operation and movement of ships in a disturbed area. Ports along the east coast of India may take necessary precautions. Naval base operation may maintain necessary precautions. Tourism activity may be restricted over this area. Mobilizing evacuation from coastal areas of West Bengal and North Odisha. Judicious regulation of rail and road traffic. People in affected area to remain indoors. Preparatory action before the cyclones. Post landfall. Outlook for North Interior District of Odisha and Interior District of Gangetic, West Bengal, adjoining Odisha. After the landfall, the system is very likely to move northwestwards across interior district of Odisha and weaken gradually. It is likely to maintain the intensity of cyclonic storm till the early morning of 27th May and thereafter it will weaken gradually into a depression over Jharkhand. Damage expected over north interior district of Odisha and interior district of Gangetic, West Bengal, adjoining Odisha. Major damage to thatched house, huts, roof tops may blow off unattached metal. Sheets may fly. Minor damage to power and communication lines. major damage to kacha and some damage to pakka roads, flooding of escape routes, breaking of trees branches, uprooting of trees, damage to banana and papaya trees, dead limbs blown from trees, major damage to coastal crops. Now with this I am concluding my today's lecture. References goes to Science Direct, Google search engine, Science Data Catalog, that is SDC, USGS study, IMD, ESRI, RSMC, ET online. Thank you so much.